So we are
Sure,
an
thank you.
institution. So what kind of courses that you foresee that we should be running, and what are the opportunities, especially for the CSR practitioners in the times that we are living?
The CSR sustainability, especially in India, is evolving. In fact, after the Companies Act was amended only, most of the corporates have started doing CSR in a big manner. So the capability at various levels, be it at a foundation or be it at NGOs level, are far from satisfactory in many cases. With the amendment of the Corporate CSR Act, the CSR Companies Act, many corporates have started their foundations. So this will give opportunity to those who are interested in CSR activity. Also, corporates are also integrating, as CSR is evolving, corporates are integrating CSR into their business strategy. So they require professionals who are good in sustainability or in CSR. Foundations would require people who can design projects. Foundations would require people who are proficient in monitoring projects. Similarly, civil society organizations, NGOs also would require people who are proficient in development activities. So if we see, the entire spectrum requires professionals. And sustainability is going to be a big thing, especially post-COVID, if we are going back to the old normal. Like COVID, we are hastening the adverse impact of climate change. So world over, there is a thought that post-COVID, we should go to a new normal where our activities should be sustainable. It means there is a lot of scope for sustainability and CSR professionals in the days to come. And regarding what kind of courses we should do, I think the entire spectrum of CSR and sustainability is in its stage of infancy in India. Therefore, we require a lot of professionals. We require those who are thorough in conceiving ideas, conceiving projects, conceiving monitoring mechanisms, those who will be good in impact studies, those who are good in implementing it at a grassroots level, people with good communication abilities, those who can drive the civil society organizations to implement the projects which foundations are having in mind. And also a lot of trainings are required to build up capability in the civil society sector. So there is, as I see, there is a great scope for CSR sustainability related training and also opportunities in this sector.